Welcome back to CoinZF, and before we begin, make sure you subscribe to CoinZF so you never miss these powerful coin discoveries that could be hiding right in your pocket today. Now, imagine this: you're holding a simple 1-cent coin, something most people ignore, something many people even throw away without thinking twice. But what if I told you that one small coin, a 2004 Lincoln Memorial penny, could actually hold surprising value, and in rare cases, turn into something collectors are desperately searching for? Yes, today we are diving deep into the 2004 Lincoln Memorial penny, a coin that looks ordinary at first glance. But when you understand its secrets, its history, and its rare variations, you begin to see why collectors pay attention. Let's take a closer look. The 2004 Lincoln Memorial penny carries the iconic image of Abraham Lincoln on the front, a design that has been part of American coinage since 1909. This makes it one of the longest-running coin designs in history. On the back, you'll see the Lincoln Memorial, a symbol of strength, leadership, and legacy. Now here's where things get interesting. Even though millions of these coins were produced in 2004, not all of them are equal. Some were minted in Philadelphia with no mint mark, while others came from Denver with a small D mint mark. There are also proof coins struck in San Francisco, which are specially made for collectors. At first, this might sound normal, but collectors don't look at coins the way ordinary people do. They look for tiny details, small errors, and rare conditions that can turn a 1-cent coin into something far more valuable. Let me explain something very important. The condition of your coin plays a huge role. If your 2004 penny is worn out, scratched, or faded, its value will likely remain close to 1 cent. But if you have a coin that looks almost brand new, with sharp details and a bright shine, that's when things start to change. Collectors call this mint condition or uncirculated. Now let's go deeper. There are certain rare errors that can appear on the 2004 Lincoln Memorial penny. These errors happen during the minting process, and they are what serious collectors hunt for. For example, some coins may have what is called a double die error. This means parts of the design appear doubled, especially in the letters or numbers. If you look closely at the date, 2004, or the word Liberty, you might notice slight duplication. Another rare feature to watch for is off-center strikes. This happens when the coin is not properly aligned during minting, causing part of the design to be missing or shifted. These coins are unusual and can attract attention from collectors. There are also coins with die cracks, where small lines appear due to damage in the minting dies. While some cracks are minor, others can be dramatic and increase interest in the coin. And then there are transitional errors or unusual metal compositions, though these are extremely rare and require expert verification. Now here's something that many people don't realize. Even without major errors, a 2004 Lincoln Memorial penny in perfect condition can still be worth more than its face value. Professional grading companies evaluate coins and assign them a grade based on their condition. The highest grades, such as MS67 or MS68, are extremely rare for circulation coins. When a coin reaches this level, its value can rise significantly because very few coins survive in such perfect condition. Think about it like this. Millions of these coins were made, but only a tiny fraction remain flawless. That scarcity is what drives value. Now, let's talk about something practical. How can you check if your coin is valuable? First, take a close look under good lighting. Check for shine, scratches, and overall condition. Then examine the details, especially the date, lettering, and Lincoln's portrait. Next, look for the mint mark. A small D means it was minted in Denver, while no mark means Philadelphia. Proof coins from San Francisco will have an S and a mirror-like finish. Then, use a magnifying glass or even your phone camera to zoom in and look for doubling, cracks, or unusual patterns. If something looks different, don't ignore it. That difference could be the key. Another important point: never clean your coin. Cleaning may seem like a good idea, but it actually reduces value. Collectors prefer coins in their original state, even if they have natural aging. Now let's talk about why coins like the 2004 Lincoln penny attract older collectors, especially men between 55 and 65 years old. This generation grew up using coins every day. They understand the feel, the weight, and the history behind them. For many, collecting coins is not just about money. It's about memories, legacy, and the thrill of discovery. Holding a coin from years ago can take you back in time. You take a closer look. You notice something unusual. And suddenly, that 1 cent coin becomes something much more. This is the magic of coin collecting. It turns ordinary objects into hidden treasures. But let me be very clear. Not every 2004 penny is valuable. Most are still worth 1 cent. The real value comes from condition, rarity, and errors. That's why knowledge is power in this field. The more you learn, the better your chances of spotting something rare, and that's exactly why CoinZF exists, to help you discover what others overlook, to guide you toward hidden value, and to turn everyday coins into something extraordinary. So next time you receive change, don't just ignore it. Take a second look, because you never know what might be hiding in plain sight. And now, as promised, let's talk about the value. While most 2004 Lincoln Memorial pennies are worth face value, rare high-grade or error coins have been known to sell for surprising amounts, and in some exceptional cases, collectors have paid up to $2,004 for a rare, perfectly preserved, or error version of this coin. Yes, a 1 cent coin reaching a value of $2,004. That's the power of rarity, condition, and collector demand. So keep searching, keep learning, and keep collecting. And don't forget to subscribe to CoinZF for more powerful discoveries just like this.